Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is the December kit. November kit is still sitting over there. Life's got in the way, but you know, what are you gonna do? So let's go for here. So hopefully by now, by the time you see this video, it will be done, but I'm half wondering whether I just totally skip it and I don't know. Let me know. I've only got a small amount of readers and everything else, but you know, let me know. So November kit has lots of cute little, we've even got a sticker today. I didn't anticipate the stickers, so otherwise I would have fixed that. Let's have a look. So we have lots of tags, some banner tags, some looks like Christmas bubble tags maybe. So that'll be fun. We have, this looks like liquid pearls type of thing, but hero art pearls it says. So yeah, liquid pearl type of awesome. That's really pretty. You're not going to be able to see that because it's not, but it's very opaque. It's very nice. Very nice. We've got some hero wax berry. I just saw Kathy Zilski doing one in the white. Oh, I won't open it just yet. And it was very creamy and very soft. I have a green, I think. And let me get all this out. We have, put that over there. We've got some cardstock. Some just red and green. We've got a stencil set which looks like a, I haven't actually looked at what everything is. I don't generally like to look because I think it's fun. I think it's fun just to open the box and see what's here. So a Christmas sweater type of stencil. So I'm assuming, you know, you could rotate that around. I don't know how, I'd have to have a play with it, but you could rotate that around. And I think you could do that, something similar to that. I don't know, we'll see. But as I said, I don't look because I want it to be a surprise. So let's see what happens. Can we see that all right? Let me get it on the back of this one. Won't be easy. Look, a little hedgehog. This is quite a large stamp set. And they're all going over the cups. So in here we will have a cup. We've got a present. We've got a stocking, obviously. And two different types of mugs. So that's like a teacup and a mug, I should say. Let's be particular. So we've got a little hedgehog. We've got a little deer. Now a squirrel. Little puppies. A little fox by the look of it. A bunny and lots of snowflakes. So that's going to be a bit of fun. And then you've got the matching die cuts, all the dies that will go along with that. And you've got Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. But I may have to use that hedgehog because he's pretty stinking cute. So yeah, that is a kit for this month. Actually, it's November. It was last month. I've only had it for a little while, so we might just jump straight into this one rather than the other one. I haven't had it for very long. Got circles. Oh no, they're not Christmas baubles. They're just round circles. So that might be fun for Christmas presents and the different tags with those. So yeah, we're going to have a think and then we'll come back and we'll do some more with that. Okay, so this is quite a fair way since making that original video. I'm running late because if you've been with my channel for any length of time, you know that I am preparing my house to move. So there's a lot of work, but I had a lot of fun. These tags are not watercolor cardstock, but we're going to use them anyway. We're going to see what happens and have a play and just enjoy ourselves. I'm also experimenting with different inks because I'm familiarizing myself with your arts ink. Now some of these did not work. As you can see, the orange soda, it's an older one that I got from, she used to be Corin Wiskman, but now she's Wilson, Corin Wilson, over in America. So some of these are archival, but I was experimenting, I was having fun, and I was seeing what happens. I have this orange cardstock. This is all out of the November kit still. So the presents. What else do I use? You'll come up. All the stamps. I am adding a little bit of definition to this present. All these presents, all these tags are relatively, they're multimedia type of thing, but they're quick and easy. Because when I made the tags, it was before Christmas. Now it's after Christmas, and we're too busy. So there is quite a few different shapes. I'm not going to show you everything because it's not too bad length of time video, but I'm going to show you the different things that I'm going to do, and each color. There is one tag that's different. We'll get to that later. But each color is pretty much going to have one of these same. So I've smushed ink into this. We've added a little bit more of the orange through the stencil. Again, this stencil is through in the kit, and we're just doing a little bit of definition. So we're going to add the to and from stamp to all of them, and then I'm also going to add a little bit of a ribbon to each one of these, and they're all going to be the same. I'm just spoiler alert, they're all going to be the same because, as I said, we're too busy before Christmas. Doesn't matter. But these presents can be a lot of, they could be Christmassy, they can be birthdays, so we can just use these for a little bit later on. I decided to come back through and do a little bit of gold embossing around the edge. So we're going to make do that I've already done bits and pieces to that already. I just decided it needed a little something. So each color is going to have this present. Every single one of them is going to have the gold around the top of them. You can see here I've already done the blue. I've already sponged around the edges. I've smushed it. And now we're adding some little snowflakes and going around the edges. I found that going around the edges, it just gave it that little bit extra just to finish it off. And it's a real multimedia type of card. I don't know what that noise was. That was not me. If you heard that noise, I don't know what that was. Anyway, there's also a little die cut for a tag. We're going to stamp some snowflakes using some Versamark and some gold ink. And then heat emboss that. And then underneath that, we're going to do or above that, there you go. Now I keep getting ink because I'm using a too big a block. So these are all the different colors and the tags that I do. So we've got one with a present, we've got one with snowflakes, we've got one with this simple little label on top of it. Again, gold embossed around the edges. We have a couple of different stencils that I've used. They're both in the set. There's only the two of them. So there's like a knit pattern, and then the what's the word for the other one? Can't think of what the word is for the other one. This one is going to have, there's so many cute little images here. We're going to do something with the little puppy dog, because now I was going to dog sit, and I am dog sitting right now. She goes home. Today is a Friday, the 3rd of January. She goes home on the 5th. So it's not the same little puppy, so we're not going to worry about colouring and everything else, but it's all good. So we're using the E range with him. We've got E59. We've also got the 55, 57 and 55. I'm mostly using the image just to add a little bit of texture, and where on his ears he's got a couple of little lines, and I'm going to do a couple of little extra lines on him there as well. Again, quick and easy. We're not stressing about these. His little nose is going to stay nice and light. I am going to do a little bit of stippling right here on his little schnoz, just to make sure it's going to fill out that area, but have some more texture in his little nose. So he's all die cut. Now I did do 4 of those, but I didn't need to do 4. Die cut those out with the coordinating dies. I've got a little bit of scrap cardstock in matching, just sort of matching oranges and greens and yellows. I have trimmed off the very bottom of him. This way he's going to sit over the little piece of cardstock. Now, I mean, the rest of his body's gone. It's gone, but that's okay. We're not worrying about all that sort of stuff. So he's going to sit over the top of my little piece of cardstock, and we're just going to glue those down towards the bottom. So if you like what you see today, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment. Did you have a great Christmas? I really hope you did. Nice and peaceful and relaxing with the family. We went down to the beach and had a little bit of an extended family. My parents were there, my in-laws, and a couple of, one of my other sister-in-laws and her kids. But all the kids are getting older. There's only one that is three that are under 18 now, compared to the 11 that there is in total. But it was very nice. So let me know, what did you get up to? What did you do? Did you do anything different? One year I will have a cold Christmas. I tell you that now. I'm going to have a white Christmas. I think one will be enough because I am in Australia and I like my warmth. But here's all the cards. All the tags, I should say. They're not cards. Little presents. And this is coming up, I'm going to show you the one that I've got. I just did separately. And that's it for me today. I hope you're well. Take care and talk to you very soon. Bye.